So 5 hours ago, Elon Musk tweeted this on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. He posted DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency, and many of you may know that Trump is endorsing him and maybe he will be put as government efficiency guy in the government, which is bullish for crypto. I don't think this post is bullish for crypto, although the Doge is not going up that high because of this post, but that's usually what you see in a big crashes or bear markets. Nothing in the news can make the prices go up. Similar when we are in the bull markets, nothing can bring the prices go down. Even if China bans Bitcoin in bull run, nothing goes down. But overall, we can see that Bitcoin is recovering a bit, although we got a huge crash. And I think in September, and if we look historically, Septembers are the worst months for crypto. On the other side, October is the best month. That's why I will not be surprised if we go below 50,000 or even to below 49,000 or even lower. I think this is the best month to buy and to accumulate because October is historically the best month. And if we are looking at the global liquidity, we can see that global liquidity is going up. Lynn Alden, one of the best investors, is bullish on Bitcoin as well. She predicts that we will reach six-figure numbers for Bitcoin in the next 18 to 24 months. And I agree with it because Bitcoin usually follows global liquidity cycles. Here you can see 2021 liquidity was on the top, and that's when the Bitcoin and we experienced the 2021 crypto bull run. The same in 2016-17. In 2013, you can see the liquidity was going up. And yeah, that's why I basically think this is the last month. September will still go down in prices. But yeah, after that, I think we are in a good hands. You can see Elon Musk is already posting about Dogecoin, about crypto. 24 million views for this post. And yeah, although this is a meme, I think this is bullish for crypto overall. And yeah, be prepared. The summer is over. Only 1 month, and that's when we will start to go up significantly. And the next thing I want to show you is if we look on the previous cycle, here you can see September 2020 basically going sideways, and you can see October is when we actually started to go up. Here you can see we went from 11,000 to 13,000, then 15, 16, 17, 18. There was a small dip in December, but that's too small. You can see after the September was over and we went in October, everything started to go up. That's why historically looking, we are at a 4-year cycle end, and the end is 2025. That will be the Bitcoin bull run, the crypto euphoria. Everything will go through the roof. That's why keep doing your research on the best projects, basically AI gaming, real world assets, ordinals, so much stuff in the crypto space right now. That's why don't fade the crypto, and thanks for watching.